I just finished with the socket for charging two batteries simultaneously in this board and this nice adapter, links in the description below. And now I will start charging the first battery for the first time with Victron charger. And I want to share some information about these chargers with you. We will review a power supply mode of these chargers, awesome mode. We will test it. And guys, this content I create for you. For me, it's not needed. So sometimes I do video for myself as a note to remember part numbers and other things. For example, like it was with this project, but this is entirely for you. So you can make your choice when you look at how these chargers work in the power supply mode or in the normal mode, because we will start from the normal mode. I will plug this for the charging, this first battery for the first time, and because this is for you guys, so I really appreciate if you do your comments, if you like, and especially subscribe. Otherwise I don't see any motivation to continue share information with you. So we are on the charging. I use this Victron. It is charging and it goes well. It's currently on the bulk stage of the charging, and it means that it provides 10 amperes current, and my configuration with wire is quite well for this. And it rises the voltage, if you can see there, 1347 volts at the moment on the first voltmeter. So, and charging process is finished. And you can see there, I hope you see, 13.31 volts, and I will probably include on the left or on the right of the screen a screenshot from the application. Here I have the app, Bluetooth app for this charger. Yeah, and we can see the same 36 volts. Let me check once again. 31, that's quite fine. Because the voltmeter installed remotely. So, but basically we see the same voltage, and we can check the graph of the process now. It is in the storage mode, and history shows how long it took to charge. So 27 ampere hours as I understood, and 8 was something else, right? Yeah, I think so. I will meditate about these numbers later. Now I'm just recording the screen for you. So now we can see 1328 voltage in the storage mode of the charger. This is for the second battery. It's not charging. So, and here we can see 0 amperes in the loads network and alternator network. And this battery connected to both networks. The second is not connected anywhere. I'm going to remove the charger there, and then we will see what's happening with the voltage here. It was 28 before I recorded non-English version. Now it's a little bit smaller, but it doesn't drop because that is the voltage of the battery. At the end of the cycle, the battery reported this voltage to the charger. It stopped charging and keep it in storage mode. So this is true battery's voltage. Yeah. Now we will enable radio, and we'll be monitoring consumption. Well, and we have this voltage drop, yeah, obvious, and yeah, it doesn't play at the moment, but the consumption is 0.8, yeah, 7.8, yeah. And now the interesting stuff, what if I connect a power charger in the power supply mode and will be supplying power to the circuit? If you watched my previous parts, then the load network is, for measure the current is connected after the shunt, yeah, but the charger, the same like alternator, they are connected to the poor ground before the shunt. So I'm interesting, what if I supply current, will this be excluded from the consumption? This I'm not sure, because when I do charging, it is not happening. Yeah, I see 0 here. I will include, I think, on the right side what I'm doing in the application, how I configure the power supply mode. Yeah, probably you already see this configured. I don't know because I'm blind on that right now. So, but I don't see anything here. But actually, because I connected it right now in the power supply mode along with the battery, which is wrong, I should go and disconnect the battery first. So, and guys, what we have here, yeah, I don't know yet how I will edit this video because I'm recording on several languages and screens from the application and so on. So, but probably now on the right side you will see the application and you probably notice the same voltage as here when I disconnected the battery. So, and the interesting point, yeah, the battery is disconnected. The interesting that we can see also this consumption, the same consumption, and we also read this in the application. I don't know, is that what I expected? I need to meditate a little bit on my own schematic that I did here and then get back to this. Well, now is interesting point. I don't know how I will edit the video, but probably now or quite soon on the right side you will see how I'm trying to increase the voltage in the application to 1303, and it rises here. How it rises here you will not see because I use the same phone, but you see it now, it's raised. And of course there is some voltage drop on wires and so on, but in general, yeah, that's fine. And of course the voltage that we set there is what we set, so probably the real voltage is that one in the system, yeah. So now I will try to increase the consumption by playing music and watching for the consumption in the up and here. I don't know yet how I will edit this, and I will include without voiceover but with the music, because you need to hear and understand the power consumption, why it increase or decrease, and it will be quite loud, so take it into consideration if you watch video on the working place. Wow, guys, it was awesome, absolutely awesome. Yeah, I don't know if I will be able to edit and synchronize power consumption here, and in the application that you probably see here, I don't know yet. And I will definitely make another video, short video, when I will be on the lake and take maybe another one recording camera or phone and put it along with that one here, and you can see consumption here and there. What I'm talking about, how I will be on the lake with the charger connected. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I will do it at some moment later. And I also will check what was my idea about understanding my consumption when it's increase the power that is supplied to the system. But I think we will do this on the lake when I see how alternator ampemeter works later. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to see more about this subject and other subjects. With this board, don't forget to remember to like this video. Well, and guys, you understand, yeah, that in winter time you don't need to have the battery and charge it. You don't need to connect the board to the AC. You just connect this this charger in the power supply mode, and you supply your board with the power 10 amperes with the right gauges of wires, etc. That's really awesome. I'm impressed with this charger. Guys, again, thumbs up, don't forget, and subscribe. And do your comments. What do you think about this and how would you do in your board? Thank you. Bye.